Definitely enough here, for sure. You're probably like, well, YouTube, you're like, well, why does this guy look like this with the hair in his head? So I told y'all something's going down, right? Some of y'all said I need to grow my beard back, so I got a scruff going on. The beard is here. Here's what the hair looks like right now. But I told y'all I'm from DC, and right now I'm in DC, and they do some shit down here with the hair. Excuse my language. You already know what it is. Look, check me out. What's about to go down? Check me out. Well, YouTube, I told you it was coming at you. I don't know if I want to make this the video in a moment, but I'll see. You ready to check me out? Beard in, locks are in. They're literally in. Still working on some spots to grow, right? So I need this to keep thickening up, right? But I'm still growing here. Her name is Chemistry from DC. And she literally did some chemistry up here. I'll take them down for you. They're literally in my scalp. I'm literally swinging from my head. Yep. Yep. Chemistry in DC. So I'm still gonna use keeps. I'm still gonna be working keeps and taking keeps. What I'm gonna do is I'm just going to specifically just keep putting the product in my hair and minoxidil drops. Keep derma rolling these spots that are working to get thicker. And then in about 2 more months, I should have more locks installed up here. This is what I'm calling the protective style at this point, just because I'm trying my best to keep my hair without going bald. So yeah, told you all, I'm gonna do what I gotta do for me, because it's my body and it's what I want. So if I want hair, I'm gonna get it somehow, some way. So yeah, holler at me, tell me what y'all think. Yep.